This is Sally, a happy newborn baby girl. These are Sally's parents, and they are very much in love. Sally's dad is producing gametes constantly. He has always been physically healthy, and he assumes that this means his offspring will be too. But little does he know that past experiences may affect the viability of his sperm.
These are deoxyribonucleotides. They are the building blocks of life. The strand synthesizes in the 5' to 3' direction, which is then read in the 3' to 5' direction when transcribed to protein. In a process known as DNA replication, a ribonucleotide strand is synthesized and is then transferred to the cytoplasm to be processed into a protein. While the method of RNA processing is predetermined, certain factors can influence and damage the RNA.
The majority of an organism's genome is transcribed into small non-coding RNA, which is present during the manufacturing of gametes. If a male undergoes trauma at the time of sperm production, the RNA can translate that stress into the genetic material of the sperm's small non-coding RNA. And if that particular sperm fertilizes an egg, the stress may be, in a way, passed down to the offspring.
This image summarizes the DNA replication process, which RNA synthesis is a part of.
Our traumatic event takes place in a land far, 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 well, not that far away, but deep, deep enough in the Swiss Alps. Occupies the rival land of the ever so ongoing vendetta between the red land top hats and the blue bandana bandits. Both enemies gathered in a cool grassy knoll preparing for battle. Subsequently, the ill-educated red land top hats were never told, don't bring a gun to a knife fight. Paying the price, the blue bandana bandits conquered the red land top hats, except for Stephen with a PH. Stephen with a PH hid at the back of the pack and ran away home from this deeply disturbing, traumatic event.
These are Stephen's seemingly sound sperm, but looks can be deceiving. A closer examination reveals that these sperm have been traumatized. Our story will follow the fertilization process of this one single sperm.
Awaiting Stephen's arrival, his lovely, gifted fiancée prepared a delicious 7-layer crisp bundt cake. The house so spick and span, Stephen arrives with a sheepish look of desire.
I've been really trying, baby, trying to hold back this feeling for so long. And if you feel like I feel, baby, then come on. Oh, come on. Let's get it on.
After 9 months of development, the offspring is affected by the process of the traumatically affected sperm. As seen before birth, the baby is affected by the faulty RNA transcription. Other factors affecting the viability of the RNA in the sperm include drug use. Here we show chemical structures that make up the composition of these drugs that are responsible for causing damage to the testicles and prevents the creation of testosterone. Therefore, the sperm are malformed and RNA is damaged, causing subsequent offspring to have damaged proteins.
The secrets of our genomes are slowly being revealed by scientists, and environmental stress is being accepted as hereditary information. So this is our public service announcement to you. Be careful, boys. Your future is coming.